Hi besties, I'm Jen.
And I'm Shannon. Welcome back to the Calm and Chaotic Connection.
We're best friends. We are completely opposites. Shannon is black and I am white. Do not change the color or settings of your video.
Yeah.
Her shirt is black and mine is white.
Lord help us. So today we've got the Ofra 2026 mystery bundle.
This little ditty popped up out of nowhere and we went in like swimwear.
$64. We love Ofra's mystery bundles. Ofra's amazing.
Yes.
Also, we got new shoes.
Rose. Rose.
Yeah. Thank you, Bestie Rose.
Thank you, Bestie Rose. She was concerned with the way that I
do things.
Yeah. And I understand the genuine concern because I'm dangerous. So she said she saw some YouTubers.
Someone else using these. Recommending
She
these.
sent these to us. So thank you, Rose.
Thank you, Rose.
Thank you for caring about our safety.
Yes.
All right. Oh, that was so easy.
Yeah.
Not a struggle. Okay.
Not a struggle. It's packed really nicely.
It's packed nice and it's full. Oh, look at I'm in a little papoose.
Oh, you got a sack. I got a little sack. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
You're dumping your sack?
Yes.
I guess I'm dumping my sack.
I'm getting really into this, so I need to back off.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
what are we doing? Grab something.
Start with this. This is their pressed powder banana. You got banana?
I got banana.
I don't love a
I
yellow
don't
powder.
love this powder.
Nope.
No. But I know a lot of people do.
Yes. So these will end up in a declutter.
Absolutely. Not gonna open it. We're not gonna use it.
Nope. Your turn.
I'm gonna go with liner. So this is, what is this?
I got
Spicy. All right. This is all me. I know
Yep,
that.
Jen's gonna open this. I'm sure of it. Trying to get it to focus. Not.
Oh gosh, yes.
Oh, that's a little more pink than I anticipated.
That is so pretty.
Okay.
I am crazy about this one.
It's definitely more pink than... It's definitely more pink than this.
Yeah, this is kind of giving orange.
Yeah, like brownie orange. It's definitely more of a rose color.
Yeah, it's like a nudie pinkish. This is really pretty.
So I will keep this one because on occasion I do a nudie lip. I could have maybe,
Today.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Wonderful.
This is the long-lasting liquid lipstick in the color Las Olas. It's on the back.
This looks like me too. Oh, got it. I'm a disaster. Thank you.
That's why Rose was concerned.
I know. She was scared for you. Oh, gosh, I love this color.
Yeah, this is definitely a Jen color.
And this is going to look incredible
Which
with that liner.
I would say Ofra, it leans a little more Jen's angle.
Yes.
Yeah.
So it's not a great perfect match, but it is close enough that I'm not upset with the combination.
Wouldn't look weird together.
Wouldn't look weird together. This is such a pretty color. I'm loving this. Yay.
All right.
All right.
You choose next.
Okay, I'm like eyeballing this.
Okay.
This is, what is this?
This is
Lip gloss
what is it?
in natural.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Okay. I'll open this one.
You got this one?
Yep. Oh, it's pink with like a gold shimmer in it.
Yeah.
I mean, it's mostly clear, but it's really, it's this up here. It's really more just a goldy, it looks less, it's less pink on my hand than in the tube, but I'm not mad at it. It's fine.
It is fine. It's just not, like, it's not exciting.
No, it looks really exciting in the tube, and it's less exciting on my hand. But I'll use it. It's fine.
All right. Ooh.
Uh-huh.
I love this mascara.
So this is one of the few mascaras that we agree on.
Yes. Which is funny because we have different eyelashes and we have different expectations from mascaras.
Yes. I have little baby lashes. I just want some length so that you can tell that I have eyelashes. Jen wants to be bold.
Yes. I want you to see my eyelashes before you see anything else.
Yep. And this worked for both of us. This is their HD volumizing mascara in the color black. I'll show you. We'll show them the tube. This was in, I think, my last empties video for me.
Yep, I've had a couple too. The packaging is cute.
Yep.
It's a very classy volume, length. It was dark.
It's not clumpy.
Dramatic.
It's not dry. It's not too wet.
Yeah. Super. It's the perfect brush with the perfect formula. It really is. It's a great mascara.
Ofra did that.
Ofra.
Oh, we did that one. Why am I putting them back in my box?
I don't
I don't know. Let's go here. This is, brow gel.
Okay.
This is a Jen box.
Yes, it is.
I think the next two things might be Shannon. Okay, Ofra. You see this box? It is literally half empty.
You know how I feel about that.
Look at how...
Oh my goodness, it's that itty bitty.
Yeah.
In that big old box.
In that big old box.
Okay.
I mean, it's just a clear brow gel. It's the Don't Play brow gel. So, have you used her brow gel?
No, I didn't even know Ofra did brow gels.
Now you know.
Yeah.
Now you can try it.
Super excited to try it.
Hopefully it's not snot.
It's not. Trust me. Nothing could be that bad. All right. Let's open this guy, Shannon. Okay. This looks like one we've had a few times.
I have this one. I like this one actually a lot. They didn't want us in it.
No. Okay, this is All of the Lights.
Yep, I like this one a lot. It's really pretty. Swoop all the way around. Do that thing. I think you would really like that one.
Do you?
Yep.
Is it gonna...
It's a little...
So it is, like, I'm noticing it's dark on the side and then lighter on the side, so it might balance out into a color that I...
So you're going to want to swipe all the way around. So you pick... I mean, you can, if you want to use that color, you can dip into one color. But I like to swipe them all around and get a little of all of it.
Yeah. Yeah. It is pretty. I might give her a shot.
I think you should. I have one that's open.
Yes.
All right. The name of this one intrigues me. This is the Ofra Mini Mix palette in Plum Crush.
I don't think I've ever seen this. Whoa. I've never seen this palette. Smile, You're Beautiful. I love this.
And I have not used, this is the Blissful highlight.
I have Blissful.
I don't think I do. This is pretty.
It's gorgeous.
I can probably make the contour work if I use a light hand. This is pretty. I'm swatching it.
It's absolutely beautiful.
Okay.
I think it's you and me. A good combination. Yep. Yeah.
It looks like something we'll both use. I like that Ofra's, their little things are removable easily.
Oh my gosh, that's so pretty.
Her formula is not my favorite. I'm going to say that before I swatch
For the eyes. She doesn't love Ofra shadows, but
this is
watch.
Really
Ooh.
That's like a gold color.
Okay.
It's the color of my skin. It's a little bit pink.
Oh my gosh, I love that. Ooh.
Before I swatch it, look at this black. That looks
like coal.
That looks like a good black. Yep.
Oh my.
Not patchy at all. Perfect.
Ooh, that's pretty too.
Mm-hmm. Oh. Ooh. She's hot pink.
Oh my goodness.
I'm covered in swatches.
Ooh,
Yeah.
that's really not as... Yeah, that's going to sheer out and be really pretty on the cheeks.
Mm-hmm.
Guys, what color is that contour?
Cherish.
Does that say current?
Current has got to be the pink one.
Oh.
Right? Yeah, because this is coffee. That's brown. So, Cherish is the pink. Okay.
Okay.
So, current.
Which makes sense because aren't currants brown?
I thought they were red. I'm going to swatch this contour.
So this looks like... Yeah, that's a little light for me, isn't it?
I could use it though.
Okay. Shannon.
We got a lot of stuff here. We got a lot of good stuff here that I probably only using a few things. I don't use a brow gel very often.
Yeah.
I have the highlight. I'm definitely keeping the mascara. The lip color's not for me and the banana powder's not for me, but yeah. 4 items that I'll use. This box was good. And I would use this if I didn't already have it.
Yeah. Yeah. So I'm going to give this a try.
So $64.
This is always a win for me.
Yeah.
This is absolutely stunning. I'm going to give this a shot. Oh, and the palette, of course. So
$64.
yeah. Why wouldn't you?
I would. I did.
I did. Yes.
Nothing. It is still available on Ofra's website. So if you do want one as of today, April
3rd.
3rd. It's still available. I'm not sure what day this is going up. Probably next Wednesday. If you got one, let us know how you feel about it.
Also, before you check out, go look for some sort of promo code because Ofra does give you a discount if you can find a promo code that works.
Yep. I don't remember what we used.
I don't either.
Wanted?
How can you remember that?
That might have been the ColourPop one we used.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Because you posted it in our group chat. Oh. Anyway, let us know if you got this box and if you love it. Make sure you like and subscribe and ring our ding-a-ling.
Ding the ring-a-ling.
We'll see you next time.
Bye, guys.
Bye.